Check it out. This is the 2014 to 2021 Toyota Tundra Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. In this video, we're going to quickly show you the features, and at the end, we'll show you how to pair and set up Android Auto. We're going to have a full installation video as well. Here you can see wireless Android Auto. This device supports both Android Auto and CarPlay. Shifting to reverse will bring up that factory backup camera. Back to park or drive brings you right back in to CarPlay or Android Auto. This device will fully support your original steering wheel controls. And one of the coolest things about the Hamilton Motor Company conversion kits, we've precision tuned them to use your factory microphone. Hey Google, how's the weather in Raleigh, North Carolina?
Currently in Raleigh, it's 94 degrees and mostly cloudy. Today, it'll be mostly cloudy, with a forecasted high of 95 and a low of 73.
Because we use that factory microphone, phone calls or talking to your voice assistant will be a breeze. This is the Hamilton underlying operating system. Here we have powerful apps and features that aren't available in CarPlay or Android Auto. You can use these powerful apps either by connecting to your phone's hotspot when you're not using CarPlay or Android Auto, or you can activate an optional plan with the Hamilton Connect 4G SIM card. That's a T-Mobile powered system. We have more information. It's an optional add-on available at hamiltonmotorcompany.com. That would give the device a native 4G connection outside of CarPlay and Android Auto. This beautiful device is going to make a game-changing difference. I'll show you now how to pair and set it up. To pair and set up Android Auto, go ahead and open Settings, Connection Settings. We'll pair a new device, locate the device starting with Hamilton. Let's touch it, make sure it's turned on here, and then we will go ahead and allow the pairing process to occur. We'll touch Android Auto on the unit. We're going to wait here for about 20 seconds that first time while it pairs. You'll see as the phone starts changing, it's connecting, and there it is, wireless Android Auto.